So what's the story behind Serum Savant by Kane? And why did we make this product? Does the world need another skincare product? Well, we thought that it does. If you were to look at bathroom cabinets across America, you will see a lot of skincare products that were bought. They had a good story, but they just don't work. So I wanted something that really worked. I also wanted something that didn't add 45 minutes or an hour to your regimen every day. Serum Savant would add about 20 to 30 seconds to your regimen. You don't need a PhD figuring out which product to apply first. It's one product, it does everything. You put it on your skin and rub it in. Pretty simple instructions. Also, I wanted something that was all new. We have an all new active ingredient, Halo C. It's also our base. It's also our delivery system. If you look at products that are out there, they tend to have some standard bases, either mineral oil or silicone or propylene or butylene glycol. Those are alcohols. Why would you want to rub them in your skin? So I wanted to make a new base that actually did something. I didn't want a skincare product with fluff. And so what did we do? Well, we worked on it for about 5 years. And Halo C is our active ingredient. It's our all new base and it's our delivery system. But it also has a very stabilized form of vitamin C, vitamin E, niacin, retinol palmitate, which is a retinoid. And all these things with a lot of different moisturizers work to really improve your skin. So that is all new. Halo C is a new base and it feels different and it feels very luxe in your hand. But a lot of those active ingredients are not very stable as they are in other products. And so our manufacturing is totally different too. This is not some mass-produced thing. We make our product in small batches. We make it under a nitrogen blanket. In other words, there's no oxygen in the area. So there's no oxygen, which starts to degrade the active ingredients in other products. Our component is filled with nitrogen and the product. And our component, which is made in one small place in Korea, actually has a one-way valve with a trap door in it that prevents air and oxygen from getting back in to degrade the product. So it's an all-new base, an all-new delivery system, an all-new way of manufacturing the product where oxygen doesn't degrade anything. So that sounds great, but the bottom line is, does it work? And we did really, for a cosmeceutical, a very strenuous clinical trial. We had 30 patients, not the usual 10 or 12, and they were evaluated by blinded evaluators. In other words, they didn't know if they just started using the product or what their scores were last time. And they looked at them for fine lines and wrinkles, radiance, moisturization, and smoothness of the skin. 4 things that are all really very important, right? And what was amazing was every single patient got better in all 4 categories at 4 weeks. Even at 2 weeks, almost everyone improved. And patients really feel a change and see a change in their skin as early as 3 or 4 days after they start to use it. So that's the story behind Serum Savant. It's a completely new product, new from the ground up, with a new way of manufacturing the product and a new sort of component that keeps the product active, and it's something that really works in very, very rigorous objective clinical testing.